Have you ever felt invisible in a conversation? Words bouncing off a wall. You're not alone. Today, let's explore how mastering one skill can transform your relationship. Communication is often misunderstood. Many people believe that being a good communicator means talking well. However, the real foundation lies in being an exceptional listener. It's not about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about making others feel seen and understood. Think back to a time when someone genuinely listened to you. How did that feel? Incredible, right? That's because true listening can be a rare gift today. In our distraction-filled world, genuine attention is invaluable. Here's what usually happens in discussions. Person A speaks, while Person B plans their response. Person A senses they're not being heard and often resorts to speaking louder. Does that sound familiar? When you truly listen, though, magic occurs. The other person feels valued. They relax and open up, sharing more because they feel safe. This is the bedrock of meaningful communication. So, how do you become this type of listener? First, silence that inner voice preparing your counter-argument. Your role is not to solve their problem, but to understand their feelings. Imagine walking in their shoes and seeing through their eyes. Listen closely to the emotions behind the words. Often, the real message isn't expressed directly, but is hidden within their feelings. For instance, if your partner mentions a stressful day, they might simply need your support. Try this technique. Reflect back what you hear before responding. For example, it sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed because of your deadlines. This shows you're truly understanding their experience. Now, being a great listener is only half the battle. The other half is expressing yourself clearly and authentically. Many struggle here since they often communicate from fears or assumptions. Clear communication begins with clarity about your own feelings. Understand what you want to convey. Are you upset, afraid, or seeking a connection? The clearer you are internally, the clearer you express yourself. When you do speak, use I statements. Instead of "you never listen," say "I feel unheard during our talks." This approach fosters understanding rather than defensiveness. Be specific in your feedback. Instead of "you're always late," say "when you arrived 30 minutes late, I felt worried." This gives concrete points to discuss instead of vague accusations. Now, here's where transformation occurs. When you blend exceptional listening with clear expression, you create transformational communication. This deepens connections, builds trust, and nurtures intimacy effortlessly. When this type of communication exists, conflicts turn into opportunities. Misunderstandings are cleared up quickly. Love strengthens as both partners feel accepted. Developing these skills enhances every relationship, not just romantic ones. Friendships deepen, family ties heal, and work interactions become more enjoyable. Start practicing now. Maybe in your next chat, focus on truly understanding the other person's perspective. Reflect back what you hear, and when you speak, share your authentic self. Remember, becoming a master communicator isn't about perfection. It's about intention, practice, and a desire to grow together. So, take that first step today. In the World Class Love course, we spend 3 lessons learning how to be a better communicator. We spend 1 on listening, 1 on talking, and 1 on putting it all together. Become great communicators today. If you liked this video, please subscribe and stay tuned to hear more in the next videos. We'll look at the other pillars. Thanks for listening. Take care.